What are you looking for, Sarge?
I'm looking for speeders.
Speeders? What's a speeder?
A speeder's a guy that goes...
You mean like this?
No, like this.
Oh, I get it.
I didn't say... I said... And if you go... once more, I'll give you a ticket.
You mean I can't go?
That's what I said. No more...
Oh, you mean like this? How's that, Sarge?
Yeah, that's it. That's the way a speeder goes. Say, you're a speeder.
If you think that's fast, get a load of this. Boy, is it cold in Alaska.
I suppose you think that was funny. Come over here. I'd like to ask you a few questions.
Okay, what subject would you like to talk about? Women? Okay. What's the color of Jeannie's light brown hair? No coaching from the audience, please.
I got a notion to bust this over your head.
Oh, yeah? Well, I bet you wouldn't be so brave without that uniform.
Oh, I wouldn't, huh? I'll show you. I'll take it off.
You big flatfoot, get 'em off, get 'em off! Come on, you gotta take them off too. Hurry up, cut out the stalling.
I'm gonna break every bone in your body.
Come on, get 'em up, get 'em up, get 'em up! That's it,